When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm taking you along for a pretty big clean because you can't see what's in front of me yet, but it's a pretty big mess. The kitchen is covered in dishes, the upstairs is just a mess, so my house is trashed. So today I'm going to take you along to clean it all and get it looking sparkly clean again. So let's go ahead and get started with that.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
Okay, so I've just gone around and tidied up the living room. It's looking so much better. I just need to hoover in here as well. But yeah, I think that Dr. Bachman's carpet stain remover does a really good job. Like the one I used on that mat at the entrance. So yeah, I love using that carpet stain remover. I use it on the mat there. I use it on any stains we get on the carpet or on the sofa as well. It works really well. So that's what I used, and now I'm just going to go around and dust the furniture a little bit. So I've got my duster here. This one I got from Tesco. So I'm just going to go around and dust and then spray a bit as well. And I'm going to hoover in the living room really quickly too.
Shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love.
Okay, the living room is done. I'm going to move into the kitchen, but I was just thinking now, when I don't feel like cleaning, I actually get super motivated by the thought that I get to listen to some nice music, or I get to listen to a podcast or an audiobook. So I feel like that kind of motivates me, because I can associate cleaning, which sometimes it's not the task that you feel like doing, but I just associate that with something that I do like to do, which is listening to music or an audiobook or something. So yeah, I feel like if you can do that, if you can find something that makes your chores a bit more enjoyable, then you will be more likely to have that motivation to clean. So I just thought I would share that in case you don't do that already. Just put something in the background and you will just enjoy it so much more. Maybe you can put on a cleaning video like this. So let me know in the comments below what actually motivates you to get your cleaning done, because I would love to know that. So let's go ahead and move into the kitchen now. Okay, so kitchen table is all good. I'm just going to have to put the flowers back on it. But I do need to tackle this side of the kitchen, which is just full of dishes from breakfast. So let's go ahead and tackle this now.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. Stripping down the middle. This is not what we should be. Trying to get the best of me. Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart.
Okay, so I'm just about to mop the kitchen floors. I just hoovered, and I'm using my Bona mop, which you guys know I love. So I just got the clean cloth for it. This is the Bona mop, and it's a spray one, so it's really convenient and easy to use. So I just love it for that, because you just pop this on and spray. So you just can spray and mop as you go along, and then you can also pop this in the wash when you're finished. So it's just really convenient.
Strip it down, middle. Strip it down, middle. Strip it down, middle. This is not what we should be. Trying to get the best.
Okay, I've come upstairs, and as you could probably tell, there's quite a bit that I need to tidy up in here as well. So I'm just gonna go around, tidy up, dust the furniture, and then also hoover in here as well. You probably can't tell, but there's quite a lot of like fluff on the floor. I think it's from one of my cozy blankets. So yeah, just gonna go around and hoover that as well.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Okay, bedroom is done as well. Now I'm going to move into my son's bedroom and tidy that up as well. He's got quite a few clothes on the floor, so I just need to kind of give that a bit of a spruce too.
Do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
Okay, so I'm getting started on dinner and I wanted to show you what I'm making tonight. It's a super quick and easy recipe. So I've got my sausages here. These are some chicken sausages by Hack, and these are so delicious. We really like these sausages lately, so we've been buying these. Then I've got 2 peppers, I've got broccoli, and then these are just miniature potatoes, so like baby potatoes. And I'm going to bake pretty much everything. I think I'm just going to put the veggies and sausages separately in this pan, and then the potatoes separately as well, just so they're more spread out. As far as condiments go, I just have some olive oil, barbecue sauce, which I'm going to use on the sausages and veggies. I've got salt, pepper, some Italian seasoning for the potatoes, and then some garlic powder for the potatoes as well. So I'm just going to mix it all up, pop it in the oven for about half an hour, and then that's going to be dinner done. So it's really quick and easy dinner.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. I could have seen it all coming.
Yes, I do hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Translation.